Okay, so for some of you it's morning, for some of you it's evening. It's already very busy on the market. So as you can see, I'm short on euro dollar at the moment. Have been short on pound, but have triggered basically limit order around here. So out of the trade at the moment. So the only trade which is expected to trigger a take profit quite soon is euro dollar. So this is what is actually happening at the moment, and what I want you to do now, yes, it's just to wait till I kind of share my new freshly counted option levels. Well, basically it's not the option levels, the levels are the same, but open interest and volume is different around there. So, and this is something what I want to share with others, because the US session has just started like half an hour ago, and we needed to trade to have some kind of let's say targets or entry points. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it in a usual manner. Well, what I mean by that is that I'm going to, excuse just a sec. All right, so basically the graph will look the same as it is here, but the only thing is that the only different is in text. So please read the text in TradingView. It's Marenno, and please read the text and you'll see the level, the volume, and open interest freshly made. Well, this is the fresh kind of CME report, and I'm counting, all my countings are based on this report basically. All right, so I'll switch back to my trading platform, one of my trading platforms. Well, at the moment, at the very moment, just a second, let me show you what is happening with Swiss franc. So let's have a look. It does look like it's going to reverse for a little while, so we'll have another opportunity to enter. I hope so. And the level will be roughly at 0.9840, so somewhere around here. Okay. I also will have a look for another, let's say, half an hour, what is going to happen with my euro dollar, so I will possibly close it. So as you can see, it's a third part of my deal, of my trade here. So first part was this one. Second part was with a short profit around this area. Then I had a stop loss here, and it's take profit around this area, which I keep till now. So the possibility is that I'm going to kind of close it because, well, let me place a line around here. So just around here, just to make sure that in case it breaks out this line, if the price will break it out, then I'm possibly going to close it. In case if it's not, then I'm leaving it. So the closure above, I'm closing the position. Anyway, that's fine for me, and risk reward was brilliant on this one. All right, so okay, I'll stop with all these things and I will share on TradingView the option levels. Just have to do something here. Okay, so in case, well, you see me here. In case if you have any kind of questions, if you want to, if you want me to quickly kind of review some, you know, some instrument or something like this, then please just tell me and I will stop doing what I do and I will help you with your questions basically. So please, just in case if you have something, just ask. So don't be afraid, I'm here. All right, so I will start. with the gold. Right. It's not always as quick as I want it to be, unfortunately. Okay. It's gold. I want everyone to see that this is actually an update. On volume, open interest levels, open interest, update. Okay, so it's update. Watch text. All right. So, all right. So it's something I will write here. Something like this now I will do. All right, so I need to see the level where the price is at the moment. Where is it? It's yes, here it is, 1328. So I don't need a support, kind of not support, but support levels above it. So 1329, not above. Two nine to 3 to 2 to 6 to 9.10. It's to 9.10. We already don't need it. 2.8 and 2.7. All right, so I will start with 1328. All right, that's the level we've got the volume on, and I will start with stop with the 1 2 basically. It will be enough for now. All right, so that's what it is. It does take some time. Unfortunately, I can't be as quick as I want to, so just sorry about it. And I'll try my best, believe me, or trust me. Okay. All right. So this is something I've got now. I've got the support levels here and the resistance. I'm going to use is, okay, so what I will use is 133 somewhere above it. 133 or 3329222222229. Yes, basically 133. Lots of volume around that level, actually. 133. And then it goes to, it's a resistance, so 1.4. Where is 1.4? It's not that far, basically. Well, yeah, no. 133. 133. Well, I'll take to 135, not more than that. I think it will be enough. 135, yeah. 1329 and 135. We don't need 139, 14, 1350. Yes, 1354.30. That's kind of the most important levels there. Okay. Okay, so this is something what you can use for your own analysis. So that's something what we have now. So it's on gold and gold is almost there. So just a second. All right. Okay, so it will be neutral and it's gold. All right, so publish, it's already published. So, okay. Okay. Gold is finished. Now what I want to do is this Mexican. All right, let's go to Mexican. So this is not the analysis. This is only an option level. So please follow me on TradingView or on Twitter. And through Twitter, you'll be able to see all my posts in TradingView also. So that's what it is. So at the moment, Mexican. So it will be easier with this one. Okay. All right. I just don't want it to be so, kind of quiet. So that's why I'm trying to talk all the time, that you can kind of ask me whatever you want while I'm here. Open interest, updates, update. Levels, level. Okay, will it be all right? Yes, it's fine. Okay, so this is something I've already got there. So it's Mexican. Mexican is done. All right, so let me share it in chat as well. Okay. Why is it so? Oh, that's wrong. That was wrong. All right. Okay. Right. Now we are going to yen. Right. Remember, these levels, the levels are not changed, but what is changing, the open interest and the volume around it. So the levels, they do change, but only if price has moved significantly in one direction somewhere. Nothing like this has happened globally at the moment, so it's all fine. But those of you who need real volume and open interest might be very interesting for you. It's a good info. I'm trying my best to share it with you, basically, guys. So you have to try your best to read it, at least. Otherwise, what's the point for me to do it? 106,434. It's well, that's 106, 113, 114. Well, all right. Okay. All right. Okay. Just a second. Wait, it's not. Right. Okay. The thing what I don't really like is that most of the traders, they don't really know how to use it. So, and what it is and how valuable it is. So basically, all right. So, okay, so it's Control V. All right, that's it. So we are there. Okay, let's go further. It's Frank. Okay, Frank. Fine. Frankie. So just to remind you, what we do when the price is going in one direction. So for example, the price is going down. What do we do? What do we have to do now? So for example, in euro dollar, tell me the answer. All right, I'll give you one. The answer is that when the price is going down, we are looking for a better place to buy it. All right, not to sell it, but to buy it. Okay. Dollar franc. Dollar Frankie. Frankie. This is non-institution. Volume. Volume. Open interest levels. Update. Update. Watch text. I know that no one loves it when it's in text. But what can you do? You must know how to read if you want to become a trader. You must know how to count also. And you must read and count. Believe me, without it, you'll never be a trader. If you are looking for an easy way to make money, then go to casino, and I wish you luck. Not trying to be rude anyway, but just, you know, it's fun, but you must know how to do it. All right, guys. So publishing this idea, it's Frankie. Frankie already published. Okay. Okay. Bounce. Nice. All right. So next it's Canada. Canada. Okay, so it's just an update. Update. All right. Okay. Bow. Alrighty, right. Fine. Done. Okay, publish idea. Okay. Love cappuccino. Fine. Okay, this is, well, cat is already there, and we need, so we are left with Aussie, Euro, and cable. So now I'm doing cable. That's interesting. Then I'll see the euro also. So let me see it straight away, just to make sure that I'm right, that I'm waiting. Because, well, if I'm wrong, then I'll just close the position. All right, so 1.1021. All right. 0.02. Well, 25 and 2, 1 0 25 and 2, 25 and 2 and 1 0 29 1 0 3 4 9 5 1 0 3. Well, 103 was a very kind of important level here, lots of volume. The maximum volume was at this level, and the next one, 1.0997, which is 1.0997. So the price is possibly going to go. Let me, oh, all right, so let me clone this one here. So 1.0997, 1.0, where is it? 1.0997. Well, yes, that's a long run basically. Not sure that the price will get there, but well, just below where my take profit is. So basically it might be, well, I might be right basically. So, and 1.10300. So edit label one. No, not label, but coordinates. The coordinates 1.103. 103. 103. All right, so that's it. So that's what it is. So basically the price might bounce off this area at the moment. So it can break through this one and go up, but it also can actually continue its down movement here. So we'll have to watch two very important levels that are supported by volume. This is much more important than any kind of thing on the chart, any, well, I would say price action models or peaks or troughs or anything. So that's something what you have to consider. It's volume and open interest. And these two levels are very strong. So the closest one, of course, there are a few more, but these ones are the closest. So 103, 1.09970. The maximum volume is here. And the maximum open interest is here. All right, so let me continue with putting them all into my trading view. So, all right, so it's open interest levels update. Okay. One. All right, I'm doing it with euro then. So pound will be the next one. All right, euro. All right. Well, yes, all the levels are working as you can see on the chart. So it's just a reminder basically. So, all right. And this is something I want to share as well. 21774 1.11. Okay, fine. Done here. Then I'll place this kind of thing right here and here. All right. I will delete this thing here and try to publish. All right, it's done with euro dollar. So in my channel, you actually can see it's a trading view or Twitter. Twitter is easier. It's Marenno Business over there. So just follow me on Twitter and you'll see all these levels. So basically, I've already posted the volume and open interest update on euro dollar. So you'll see it in Twitter, and I'm left with pound and Aussie. And then I'll quickly talk about markets and answer your questions if you have them. All right, so now we are going to, let's say, pound. Haven't done it yet. All right. Pound. Right. Update. So yes. Funny enough, well, of course, I do need likes there. It's, well, because that's the reason I'm doing it. So I'm not getting paid for it or something. So, and the funny thing is that when you are posting something where you are drawing something on the chart, something interesting, I mean, like a bet button or something like this, something mystical, what somehow works, you know, but it doesn't mean anything on the chart, you know, so it's just, I don't know, don't even know how to call it, to be honest. It's just, I don't know, I can call it, it's crazy, but the people seems to be like much more interested in something like this. But when you are sharing the information like open interest, volume, you know, this is the most valuable information on the market, and the people just don't respect it at all. No likes, nothing. So I'm just doing it just, you know, for myself, basically. We'll try to basically put it there for a couple of more, let's say, days or weeks, and then if won't have any response on this one, unfortunately, we'll have to stop it because it doesn't make any sense for me. Just really disappointed with this 95% of losers, to be honest. Well, I was the same, by the way. Used to be. All right. Oh, someone is placing likes. That's good. That's good. That's something what I really like there. All right, guys. So will it work? Anyway, I'll try my best, and I want you to become much better, guys. Much better. I want you to learn how to use all this information. You can have it, and you can have it for free, actually. You don't have to pay for it. All right, so I have too many levels around here. It's what I do at the moment. It's pound. The current level for the pound 3120. So 3120. Call is resistance 3120. 4131. All right, I don't need actually this 37. Yes, because as you know, well, basically, if you want me, I can send you an email with all these levels, and they will be kind of, there are actually a bit more levels than what I'm actually sharing, because the thing is that the TradingView kind of platform doesn't allow me to post at all because it's too many, you know, letters. I don't know what do they count. they are possibly counting letters or words or something. I don't know what really, but so basically, if you want to become a professional trader, you must know where the volume can be and how to read it. First of all, it's very important. And if you want to, all right, it's put resist, no resist support 1.31. Maybe it will be all right. No, it's not all right. Too long description. All right. Sorry about it. Just takes a bit more than I've expected. One 3217, and this is a support. 526. Well, that's not something what we needed actually at the moment, so it's all just gone. All right, so do most kind of recent levels here. Okay. Okay. So finished with pound. And again, the guy is asking me, not me, but someone, any support or resistance levels on pound. And I'm sending him like GU volume, GU is British pound, pound dollar, volume update. If you need real levels, read text. No response. So what does he want? What does this guy want? Really don't understand it. Don't get this, I don't know. I'm sure he's waiting for someone to draw a bet pattern or Gartley pattern or cipher pattern. And then he will see like, yes, now I have something, I don't know, valuable, you know? So just crazy. That's really crazy. That's basically when someone is asking you, how do you think, where is the reason that you can actually, not the reason, where is the answer that you can actually be a successful trader if 95% are actually losing? Well, that's why everyone is losing, because everyone is expecting it to drop from somewhere. No one wants to learn. No one wants to know new things. Nothing, it's just, I'm completely disappointed with all this. This is crazy. This is actually what is actually crazy, you know? Sorry, I'm in a good mood today. I just, when you do something, well, I do want to help, And when you do want to help, don't expect anyone to tell you thank you. So it's just, you're doing it for yourself. That's what I'm doing it for myself. All right, Aussie. I'll finish it with Aussie then. All right. Not too many levels here, so it will be a bit quicker. Date. All right. By the way, that's it. Okay. Of course, if you are a good trader, no matter what you use, you can make money even on using just like FIBO levels or something like this, different kind of patterns, etc. But you just have to know how to trade. But if you want to have a proper analysis, then you must understand the volume. Well, basically, you must understand how it all works, which levels on the market are most important, how to filter them out. And if you want to use some kind of indicator, the only valuable indicator is, well, basically two of them. It's market profile or a volume. So I don't have it on the screen as you see, but I do know where the volume can be and where it will be the keyword. So, but still, option levels. Well, while I'm sharing them with these guys, because with these guys. Sorry for saying that, but with you guys, is because I'm counting them for myself. They're already counted. I'm already, for example, at the moment, I'm already on the market. I'm just waiting for the price to close above this 1.1030. I will close my euro, and that's it for now. Then I will wait till the European session will be finished. I'll review the market in about, let's say, a couple of hours. Then I'll recount the levels. And during the North American session, I will, let's say the last part of US session, I will try to enter the market and will possibly leave a position overnight. Then I'll review all this news, etc., etc., etc. So what I think might happen is that the price, okay, Aussie is done as well. So, okay, if you want to see it all, you can just go to my Twitter and you'll see everything basically there. Rejective candle. Oh my God, rejective candle. It all sounds very kind of, smart, but it's just... People are funny. All right. But again, it doesn't matter what I say. The only matter one thing. someone read my article basically and just posted high volume supply hit selling point. Wow, wow, wow. All right, that's funny. That's really nice. All right. Fine. All right, guys. So let's have a look at markets. Markets. All right. What do we have here? Oh, God. Don't like it. What was it? It does look like someone has dollar yen marenno. And what do you want? That's what I hate, guys. Oh God. Text. Have posted the volume and open interest update, not the analysis. That is something what you can use for your own way of trading, knowing the levels that are supported by volume are much more valuable than drawing a fibs. Sorry if you missed me. If you missed me. No. Did not get it. Did not get it. So really hope that someone will see it, you know? It's just crazy. Here's the euro price. Stream. All right. And then V. Oh, okay. Okay, one Moreno. Okay. Vet 30. All right. Sorry, my friend. Text. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Well, I forgot actually that I'm on stream at the moment. All right, guys. All right, I was just fixing some issue in my other channel. Okay, guys, so let's have a brief look at the market and let's see what is actually happening here. So let me switch back to, all right. So where is it? Where is it? Connect here. All right. So, right. Fine. Aussie Mosey. The price is going down at the moment. What I do expect, you can see here, I do expect it to go up for a little bit. Then I'll try to sell it. So basically nothing to do at the moment. It's 4-hour chart. And I guess that this is the chart to look for at the moment, to look at. Don't look at 15 minutes or something. Don't try to play like reversal patterns around there. You will lose, definitely. I've been there many times, believe me or not. I've been there, guys. So you will definitely lose it in case if you'll try to catch a trend reversal in 15-minute chart. Well, Another thing what I suggest you to do is to watch a daily price action, well, daily behavior of price on a daily chart, and you'll be able to kind of see what is actually going to happen next, tomorrow, maybe after tomorrow. So basically what is happening, if today is a reversal day for some of the pairs in some kind of stage or something, then it's really possible that the market tomorrow will be in sort of range. So that's something you have to think about and you have to remember. It moves one day, it almost stops the other day, then moves next. So that's what's happening with the market. So, all right, let's go further. It's euro pound. Euro pound, all right. So euro has reached the 0.84031 level. It's the last one for today. Let's see what's going to happen next. I don't recommend to sell it now, as not really sure what's going to happen here. And but what can I say? If you are already long, then if the price will continue its up movement here, then just as it is written here, short-term target, was and it's reached now, trail after breakout. So in case of the price will continue its up movement, please trail it. Okay, let's go further to euro dollar. Right, so those of you who have used this kind of entry signal I've posted, good guys, making money now. So what do we expect? At least we do expect this level to be triggered 1.1003.001 or something like this. So this level will be triggered here, 1.10. Okay, will be triggered. So that's where the price is going. It might possibly reverse from here, might not. So these are not the price action levels. What I mean, they are not built around these tops and bottoms. So it's a bit different story about them. I do count them mathematically every day, every session. And so basically I will have a new levels in about like 2 hours for the rest of US session. All right, so that's something what is going to happen. All right, so let's go further. It's pound dollar here. Okay, it's really bad that I've actually jumped out of this trade. So it's not, well, I've jumped out just on this level here. So 1.318 roughly, so around here, but I would have been able to make a bit more, but that's fine. It was a good trade anyway with a very, well, I've entered just here, so it was all right for now. Then again, I'm not going to enter it during the night time, but I'll see what's going to happen tomorrow. So in the morning, when the European session will be started, so probably I will kind of enter the market with a fresh kind of mindset. You know, we'll see something here. All right, so let's go further. Hey, come on, switch. All right, Kiwi. What do we have? We do have some sort of congestion, but it does look like we're going to continue its down movement towards around this area, at least 0.67. No, 698. That's what it is. And then we'll see what's going to happen. It's just a price action stuff, highs and lows, you know. The next one is dollar CAD. The price is going up. And well, we do expect this level to hit 1.31148. Okay, so what is happening there? Okay. Let's go a bit further. Where is it? All right. So, CAD, I do expect this level to be hit here. Price is going up. Don't see any reversal patterns at the moment. It's 4-hour chart, so it's really important that I don't see it. I guess that you don't see it as well. So it was an entry kind of trend following entry here, as you can see with this wick pointing down. Okay, let's go a bit further. The price is going up here. Short-term target has been reached already. It's Frankie. I do believe that the price will continue its up movement, and this kind of area of this support area has already been triggered, as you can see with this week. Not sure that the price will continue its up movement that strong for today, so it will possibly tomorrow, and we'll possibly see some kind of what can I say, correction wave or something like this. Okay, let's go a bit further. Right, so what is here? Yes, this level can be triggered. Wait for a price action here. In case of a reversal, try to sell. So that's what it is. The price is going up at the moment, as you can see on 4-hour chart, but I do look for a selling opportunity here. The only thing is possible that we might kind of again buy it, but let me switch to something a bit. So I will explain you what I'm waiting for. So as you can see this high here, so we have lots of stops around here. So what it means, it only means that we do have lots of volume around the area. This area is going to be hit before it will reverse anyway. So even if the price will continue its up movement, this area will be reversed. So it's my opinion again. So what is here? We have lots of limit orders, I'm sure. We do have lots of stop loss orders and buy stop orders. So in case of the price will continue its up movement, it will trigger this level here, 107.121. And then, by the way, when I'll recount the levels, they will be a bit wider than it is at the moment. So it will be a bit higher probably. Okay, so the price will continue its up movement towards here, then it will go back. Whereabout it will go? First of all, as you can see, this area here, area of congestion around this area, this area. So we will have below this candle here, we will have lots of kind of, let's say, stop losses, etc. And that's how the, possible, as you can see, head and shoulder pattern is going to form here. So one shoulder head, another shoulder, and it will rocket upside. But before it will rocket, I guess, it's only my guess, my honest opinion, that the price will give us a better kind of entry, So that's what I'm expecting. If not, then I'm just not in the trade. I'll look for another instrument. All right, so don't stuck on the instruments. I recommend do not to stuck on the instruments. All right, so what is here? It's Mexican. The price is going up. I really want to sell it still. We did have a very good selling opportunity. I mean, not the selling opportunity, but all these kind of triangle-like patterns. So if we'll discount all these lows here, and we'll see kind of, this is a one move like this, and all right, it goes down, and here it is something like this. All right, so that's what I'm trying to say. I mean, it can be like this. It's not really, doesn't really matter. So just to give you the idea what I'm thinking about, no? It's not about being right or wrong. It's just to give you an idea what I'm thinking about. So we are now breaking through this one. Those of you who will think that the price will continue its up movement will place a buy stop orders around this area, and the price will trigger them, and you will have a stop losses around this area here, and the price will continue its down movement towards the south. You know, it's summer and the price is going south as well. All right, so that's something what I think about Mexican. That's why I want to sell it. All right, so let's go further. It's gold. Want to buy it? Well, already told you when we had this candle here that it might be a very good kind of entry opportunity, but to be honest, I've been cycling now, so I just came back with my family, so I thought that it will not happen that quick. So let me have a look at this one. Yes, unfortunately it looks like, well, I will wait till today will rather bounce off this level here or break through it. If it will break through it, then at this level, at this break point, I will try to enter the market long. Okay, guys, something like this. All right, so that's all for now. I'm glad you were all here. Have a good one. Thank you.